Namaste everyone. Today we will see how we can clean the filter in the IFB washing machine. Okay, so this model is Elite Aqua SX 7 kg model, and so the filter will be on the downside below the washing machine. Okay, now we will see how we can clean that. So if you clean this filter regularly, then it will be good for the washing machine. What you just need to have a coin. Just press this one. One second. Yeah, so if you press the coin here, then you can take out this. Just gently remove the outer cover, and there is a cap for this pipe. You can remove that, or else take it out. There is a hooks kind of a structure which is for this pipe. You can take that out completely so that it will come. Okay, so if you remove this one, so from this water will come, and here is the another filter where you can see all the coins and all. If in case if coins are there, then those will be there available here. So if you take out this, okay, so any waste particles and all that will be here. And if you take out this, so the water will be in this one. So see, some of the water came. I already cleaned this. So now water is not there, and this is clean. So you just need to do this activity for 3 to 4 months, at least 3 to 4 months. Then you can maintain it well. So let me show you what is there inside the filter. So just a small portion. So in case if anything coins and other hard particles, they will come and stay here. So then after that you just need to put this back. Okay, push the pipe a little forward, and then if you press it, yes, the pipe will come there. And then after that, yes, that's all. Then you can replace the filter once again. Rotate them on the clockwise direction. Yes, tighten that, and then place the cover back. Okay, thank you for watching. And this will be the same in the same way you can do for other washing machines also. There will be a different place, may not be the exact place, so you can see that for the cleaning. Yeah, and happy watching. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and relatives, and also subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.